Okay, folks, today we're looking at linear equations. This will involve y equals mx plus b format, identifying the slope and y-intercept from graphs or from the equation, finding the slope of given 2 points. So first thing is just let's review. There are 4 kinds of slope we might talk about. The first one is, well, like the floor or the ceiling, hopefully, 0 slope, no pitch. The other one we've talked about is undefined. It's vertical, straight up and down. If you've ever been skiing, they have undefined slopes there. Next, if it's rising up, it's positive. We always read a graph from left to right. And negative slopes would be falling. Again, from left to right it falls. So in the formula y equals mx plus b, m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. Remember, the slope is the number in front of the x. It is not with the x. The x is part of a coordinate. So the greater the value of the m, the steeper the line would be, or the higher the pitch. So if it was 1 over 10, it would be up 1 and over 10, which would be very little slope or pitch. But if slope equaled 10, it'd be 10 over 1, and we would be much higher. So in general, the bigger the slope number, the greater the pitch. So what happens if we're given 2 points? Well, we have a formula for that. The slope equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So here we have 2 points. First, I would recommend you label them. This will help you to not get confused with the numbers and to be able to check that you placed them correctly. So we have positive 6 minus negative 6. That's y2 and y1. And I did put the parentheses there just to remind you that there is a negative there. We don't want to forget it. And x2 is 4, x sub 1 is 3. So there we have it. Remember, when we're subtracting a negative, we add. So that's 6 plus 6 over 1, which is 12 over 1, which of course means the slope is 12. Alright, what if we're given this equation? That's not in y equals ms plus b, Ms. Malone. Oh, no, it's not. So we're going to just continue. We have to use our math skills to put it in the right format. So in purple, you can see the first thing I'm going to do is take away 9x from both sides, except 15 minus 9x. What do we do with that? Well, really, nothing. We just rewrite it. You can't take 9x away from 15. So we just keep it there. Why did I turn it around? Because we want y equals mx plus b. So the x term with the slope in front of it is going to be written in this format, so I just transposed it. Now, of course, it does say y, not 3y, so we need to eliminate that 3 in front of the y. And the way we do that is with division. 3 times y, we want to eliminate that. We do 3 divided by 3. Negative 9 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. We end up with y equals negative 3x plus 5. So please remember, you can only fail when you stop trying. Well, and I said we because that includes me too. You're a math hero today. If you made it to this last slide, you rock. And please don't forget it. You guys have a great day, or actually a great week. Hope this helps. You're doing great. Bye for now.